Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about the present indefinite tense. So let's start. Present indefinite tense is also known as simple present tense. It is used to describe actions that are habitual, regular or factual in the present time. Now I will tell you about the structure of present indefinite tense. The structure of present indefinite tense includes subject, object, first form of verb, do does, s and es. Let's clear the concept of present indefinite tense through some examples. I ate breakfast. Is it a present indefinite tense? No, it's wrong. The correct tense is I eat breakfast, because in present indefinite tense, first form of verb is used and eat is the first form of verb. So the correct tense is I eat breakfast. Let's take another example of present indefinite tense or simple present tense. She plays the piano. Is it a present indefinite tense? Yes, it is a present indefinite tense or simple present tense, because there is first form of verb play, which shows that it is the present indefinite tense. Now I will tell you the negative form of this tense. In negative sentence, do not or does not is used before the base form of verb. Do is used with I, we, they, and does is used with he, she, it, or the name of person, place, or thing. For example, I ate breakfast. The negative form of this tense will be I do not eat breakfast. Let's take another example. She plays the piano. The negative form of this tense will be she does not play the piano. Let's move to the interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, do or does is used before the subject, and there is question mark that is put at the end of the sentence. For example, I eat breakfast. The interrogative form of this tense will be do I eat breakfast? And question mark. In this example, you can see do is used before the subject and there is question mark at the end of sentence, which shows that it is the interrogative form of simple present tense. Let's take another example. She plays the piano. What will be its interrogative form? The interrogative form of this tense will be does she play the piano? Now you can see that does is used before the subject and there is question mark that is put at the end of the sentence. I hope that the concept of present indefinite tense is clear to all of you. Guys, if you memorize the structure of tenses, then it will be very easy for you to make the correct tense. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos.